Hello everybody, welcome to the new garage. Hello everybody, it's been a long time. It's been, I don't even know, it's been probably nearly a year since I started YouTube again and then stopped. What's happened? As you can see, I'm walking now, which is awesome. Not in a wheelchair. Not got a ponytail with a bun. My hair's doing funny things today, but we'll ignore that, it's not important. And the biggest change, look where we are. Own garage. Got the scoot, which is still a work in progress. The bike had an accident on, which you haven't seen on this channel yet. If you follow me on TikTok, just put on the screen here, you'll be able to see it. We've both seen it already, but if you haven't, here it is. As you can see, frame is completely broken in a few places. Oops, ouch. Tank is completely buggered. Whole front got cut off. As you can see, whole front subframe cut off. So not ideal. We also have the new phaser, which is looking a bit different than when you all saw it. It's got pink. A few bits I'm going to be stealing from that one. Somehow, my nice Rentful clutch lever survived in near pristine condition, so that's going on here. I've got a little rubbish single finger clutch lever, weird easy pull mechanism thing, which is all coming off because I don't like it. I've got riser on the bars, Rentful bars, pink pad, quick action throttle, aftermarket start switch. Removed the mirrors. I need to make a blanking plate because this looks horrible. It also needs a wash if you can't tell. Barn mirrors to replace them. Stuck up with the same end cans, still working great. Tail light with integrated indicators, which actually work now. I've wired those up. And yeah, but as I say, just moved in. There's rubbish, well not rubbish, but bits everywhere. Stuff on the wall, bits over there. Yes, very much a work in progress, but it's actually a pretty big space. It's not got on camera because it's a sort of not great aspect ratio, but it's single car garage width and then like 1.5 length. So I'll put some plans up on screen now. But yes, let's say that is the plan. Plan so far. Oh, it just died. Go ahead. Put my camera just died. Very low on battery. Yeah, but that's the plan. All very exciting stuff, but I want to make a video because obviously I haven't made one in a long time. Stuff just got in the way, back to work, hospital, got in relationships, it's all very busy but very good, all good stuff, all great. But yeah, hopefully a lot more regular videos now. I've got my own space again. As I say, Shadow is the main project at the moment. It should be coming here tomorrow, so later in the week I will have a video up kind of going over what's changed. It's been sat for a while because I've been in and out of hospital, so there's a lot of rust, there's a lot of corrosion, can all need cleaned up, but it's always been a project, so it's not really an issue. But yes, I just thought I'd come back on. Everybody update. I'm still here, still live, still get back to posting as I was, more regularly, once, twice a week maybe. As I say, now I've got a space, it really helps, and I'm actually working 3 days a week, which gives me a lot of time to work on personal projects. So, as I say, hopefully a video a week or so. But yeah, welcome to the lydbck garage. I'm going to get a side made, I think at some point, either a neon one or just a board, mix it out of wood. But yeah, just thought I'd check in. Right, goodbye.